हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज इस वीडियो में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1530, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ गुड लीफ नोड्स पेयर। In this question, you are given the root of a binary tree and an integer distance. A pair of two different leaf nodes of a binary tree is said to be good. ठीक है, सो इसमें दो लीफ नोड्स के का जो पेयर है उसको हम गुड कंसीडर करते हैं when the distance or the shortest path between them is less than or equal to the given distance in the question. Okay, so let's see. Return the number of good leaf node pairs in this tree. So let's begin with one example. So 1 2 3 4, as you have seen, 1 2 3 4 is given. So let's take this example first. 1 2 3 and 4, and the distance here is, okay, 4 is here, right, and the distance here is 3. Okay, distance is 3, which is given in the question. Your task is to find the number of good leaf pairs, or we can say good leaf node pairs, right? So this is one leaf node in your tree and this is another leaf node in your tree. So what your task here is to find the distance between all the leaf nodes, find the distance between the leaf nodes and check whether the shortest path. So basically the shortest path can be this, the shortest path can be this. So the shortest path distance here is 3 and this is less than or equal to the distance which is given in the question statement. So that's why we can say we have 4, 3 as a good leaf node pair and the count here is 1. So we will return 1 as a output, right? Let's begin with another example. So as you can see, this is another example given in the question. So let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is another example and the distance given here is 3, right? Distance given here is 3. So your task is to find the leaf node pairs that has the shortest path less than this distance, right? So let's start. Let's assume that what are the leaf nodes here. This is leaf node, this is leaf node, this is leaf node and this is leaf node. So let's see, 4 5 6 7 are the leaf nodes given in this question. So distance between 4 and 5 is 2. Distance between 4 and 6 is, as you can see, this and this. This is the distance, so this is 4. Distance between 4 and 7, distance between 4 and 7 is also 4. So this is the 4. ठीक है, 4 से सारी distance हमें मिल गई. Then 5th से check करते हैं. So 5th से 4 की distance क्या होगी, that we have already computed. So 5th से 6 की distance हम लोग check कर लेते हैं, that is nothing but this 1 2 3 and 4, right? So this is again 4, this is again 4, right? Let's check from 6. So 6 से हम लोग check कर लेते हैं 7 की distance क्या होगी, that is 2, and right, 7 से हमें check करने की जरूरत नहीं है because it is already computed, right? So that is how we have computed all the shortest path distance, and as you can see that this 2 and this 2 is something which we can consider because this is less than 3 only. ठीक है, this is less than 3 only, right? So we will take 4, 5 as a good pair and we will take 6, 7 as a good pair with the distance having 2, that is less than or equal to D. So that's how we will compute all of these, right? Let's see how we are going to build the logic, because as if you are following my lectures then you know how I how I basically build your logic instead of just copying pasting something here and there. I just focused on how you can, if you are seeing this question again and again, then how you are able to recognize the patterns, how you are able to think in that way that if you have solved this question earlier, then what the approaches you have used, how the pattern is there. So that is the most important and that is the key factor in any of the programming, any of the coding, right? So yeah, without any delay, let's begin. So I'm just typing the example again. So this is my example, right? Now what your task here is to listen. Here है 4, here 5, 6 and 7. अब आपको क्या करना है, इस 4 से डिस्टेंस क्या होगी, किसकी, इसके सबसे लोएस्ट कॉमन एंसेस्टर. जैसे 4 का और 5 का लोएस्ट कॉमन एंसेस्टर क्या है, हमारे पास 2 है. सो वी कैन से दैट 4 और 2 से क्या डिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे 1. 5 और 2 की क्या डिस्टेंस है 1, राइट, 1,1. ध्यान से देखो. अब फिर हम लोग देखेंगे कि 2 से 1 की क्या डिस्टेंस है, मतलब सिर्फ लीफ नोड के कंपैरिजन में. तो यहाँ से तो 1 था, लेकिन ये एक और लाइन आ गई तो ये एक इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. सो दैट विल बी 2,2, राइट. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जैसे ये 6 है तो 6 से 1 की क्या डिस्टेंस होगी, दैट इज 1. 7 से क्या डिस्टेंस होगी, दैट इज 1. फिर यहाँ से हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे. सो वी विल बी गेटिंग 2,2 एंड 2,2. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट ये पूरा ही एक ही है 2,2,2,2, राइट. So we have concluded that we have 4 leaf nodes having the distance 2, 2, 2 and 2 from this root node till the leaf nodes, right? So we can compute easily that 1,1 is the distance from this 2. So we will be doing 1 plus 1 as 2. So we know that 2 is the distance among these leaf nodes. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. We know that the distance between is 2. So we have already seen that 2 is the distance and 2 is less than d. So we will do answer equal to 2. We have seen that we have 2 good pairs here. Then we will move to this one and we have 2, 2, 2 and 2. So what we will do, as I have this vector and I know that from 1 till every leaf node the distance is 2, right? So we will fix 1 and we will iterate over all. So 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4, then fix 2, 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. So every time when you will be iterating, fixing one element, then again fixing this one element and iterating over all. So as soon as you will be iterating, you will find that there is no distance which is less than or equal to d. So you will leave it as it is and the answer will be 2 itself, right. So this is how this question will be approached, right. I am just going to take you over another example, that is nothing but 1, 2, 3 and 4, right. This is your another example 1, 2, 3 and 4, right. And now what your task here is to कि आपको फाइंड करना है the number of good pairs, good leaf node pairs actually. So 4 है, this is leaf, this is leaf. Let's iterate. 4 से आप भेजोगे एक मैसेज कि यहाँ पे मेरे पास डिस्टेंस क्या है, ये 1 है, राइट. दिस इज योर वेक्टर. फिर आप 2 से यहाँ पे भेजोगे कि मेरे पास डिस्टेंस क्या है 2 है. एंड आप यहाँ 3 से भेजोगे, दैट विल बी योर 1 अगेन. सो 2,1 you have, right. 2,1 you have at the end, 2,1, and you can see that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and that is less than or equal to 3, right. So that can be your one leaf node pair and your answer will be plus 1, right. So that's how we are going to approach. एंड जैसा कि आपने अभी देखा कि आई एम जस्ट ट्रेवर्सिंग फ्रॉम द वेरी लेफ्ट और राइट टिल नोड. सो वी आर ट्रेवर्सिंग फर्स्ट लेफ्ट, देन राइट एंड देन द रूट. So this is the traversal which we called as a post order traversal, right. This is the post order traversal we are following here. So without any ado, let's begin with the code. Let's write the code here. The code is pretty simple actually. So let's begin. So we are just taking a private variable called integer answer equal to 0 in the initial case, and I am just making a function that is my helper function, or we can say the recursive function. Okay, so the tree node is accepted here. Okay, that is the root node, and just tell me the distance, right. and I am just checking that अगर ये जो root है, if there is no root, so I will return the empty one and answer is not updated. If there is no left, it means left is null and the right is null, then I will return 1 because I know that there is the distance is 1 if there is no left and there is no right. Okay, let's move to the recursive one. So I am just taking a vector integer that we can call the left one, right? So this is root ka left and with the distance same, and let's figure out the right one, root ka right and with the same distance. Let's move to the one thing, that if you have something as in the left you have 1, in the right you have 1. So what you will do, you will simply iterate over the L. Okay, you will simply iterate over the L and to the right, because you have everything from the left and right, and then you will see ki if a plus b, it means 1 plus 1 is less than or equal to d. If it is, then only answer plus plus. This is the single step when we are updating our answer. And move again a, and we are again checking if a is less than d. If a is less than d, then only I am just updating my let's take another vector here to return. Let's take another vector here to return. ठीक है, this we can see vec. ठीक है, this is my vector. So let's update vector dot pushback a, right? Now what is our task? अब हम लोग traverse करेंगे r पर. ठीक है, we are just traversing over the r. So this is my b, this is my b and b plus plus, right? If b is less than d, so that is कि अगर मेरे पास जो राइट वाला आ रहा है, राइट वाला अगर जो d से मेरा छोटा है, इट मीन्स कि 3 अगर मेरा डिस्टेंस है और वो 2 है, सो देयर आर चांसेस कि उसको ऐड करके हम लोग अचीव कर सकते हैं. And then we are just going to return that vector. ठीक है, so this is how it will work. Let's call this helper function here. Let's call this helper function here with the distance, and at the end return just answer, that is the private variable. So this is how it will work. We are just traversing over the left and then right, and we are returning the vector. So let's try to run this code. It is accepted. Let's quickly submit it. ठीक है, so this is accepted. As you can see the runtime and memory space here. Let's quickly talk about the time and space complexity of this question. So the time complexity here is, as you can see, that we have taken the helper function, that is the recursion 1. So left and right we are moving to every node in this particular tree to find out the leaf node and the distance. So yes, this helper function is the only one which is taking any time. So it is taking O of n because it is iterating over the whole tree. So this is O of n, and the space complexity here is, there is nothing extra space we are taking, just we are taking this vector integer and integer, so left and right. Okay, so in the worst case it can take O of 12, in the worst case it can take O of 12. So this is the constant time. The only space we are taking is the recursion stack space. So there is a stack, in that we are just holding the left one, then left, so it can move up to O of n in the worst case. So this is the only space we are using, that is the O of n space complexity, right? So this is the whole code as well as the time and space complexity. I hope it is very clear to you. So if so, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such amazing content, and do share it with your friends. So yeah, that's all from this video. See you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.